We help you tell your story to the world. Hello everyone, my name is Syed and Director of BlueRose Publishers. You must be talking to a consultant from BlueRose Publishers, and today I'm going to be guiding you in selecting the right package and will tell you how we publish. At BlueRose Publishers, we have two ways we publish a book. One is the DIY way, the other one is the expert solution. DIY is a web application where you have to log in and create your book on your own. So you get three options. In DIY, you get three options. One is the DIY Basic, which is absolutely free. You go to DIY Popular, where you get a few more extra services like listing on Amazon, copyright application, the government affidavit and things like that. So that is DIY Popular. And if you want your book to be available globally, you want to reach out to the entire world, then you have to choose this package, which is DIY Premium. The cost is $7,990. Now the expert solution packages, here we get you an entire team. So the basic difference between DIY and expert solution is that in DIY you have to use a web application to create your book on your own. Right? इस वेबसाइट के ऊपर आप लॉग इन करके खुद अपनी बुक को या तो अपलोड करते हैं या आप वहां पर हमारे बुक बिल्डिंग टूल को यूज करके you create a book. Now if you choose the expert solution packages, in expert solution like I said, हम आपको एक पूरी टीम देते हैं. There will be a manager, an assistant manager, there will be a designer, एक dedicated formatter होगा जो आपकी बुक की exact needs, आपकी जैसी requirement है exactly वैसे आपकी बुक को डिजाइन करेंगे. इसमें हमारे पास 6 options होते हैं: basic, basic plus, essential, and then we have popular, premium and premium plus. Now depending upon your requirements, you have to choose a package. तो आपकी अगर बिल्कुल बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, आप सिर्फ अपनी बुक को अभी फिलहाल पब्लिश करना चाहते हैं, you want to see it out in the market through Amazon and Flipkart, go for basic or basic plus package. If you want to reach out to the global market, go for essential. अगर आपको लगता है आपकी बुक में एडिटिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट है या आप एक्सटेंसिव मार्केटिंग करना चाहते हैं, you want to reach out to a lot of people through all these paid marketing services like digital marketing through Instagram, YouTube marketing, you want a video trailer, you want a book launch, you want newspaper to cover your book launch. All these services can be covered under the premium packages, right? Now DIY function कैसे करता है? First of all, you need to go ahead and click on say publish with us. If you already are registered, then you can straight away go ahead and log in. So once you log in using your credentials, you'll be driven on this dashboard. So dashboard gives you all the information. आपके sales की report से लेकर आपके एड्रेसेस अपडेट करना, जितने अपने बुक्स हमारी साइट से परचेज किए हैं, जो भी ऑथर कॉपीज अपने ऑर्डर किए हैं, आपके सारे राइटअप्स, आपने कौन सी बुक्स किए हैं, कितनी स्टोरीज किए हैं, एवरी सिंगल डिटेल विल बी हियर ऑन द डैशबोर्ड. डैशबोर्ड इज गोना गिव यू 2 ऑप्शंस, स्टार्ट राइटिंग एंड स्टार्ट रीडिंग. नाउ स्टार्ट राइटिंग में you will, once you click on this and you want to create a new writer, this will now again give you 2 options. यहाँ पे आपको 2 options मिलेंगे. Now you have to choose wisely. Are you here to publish a complete book? Do you have a content which is more than 40 pages? अगर एक पूरी बुक पब्लिश करना चाहते हैं, then you click on publish complete book. अगर आपके पास छोटा कंटेंट है, कोई स्टोरी है, कोई शॉर्ट पोएम है आपके पास, and you just want to publish it online and see how the audience reacts, then you create a story. By clicking on get started on create stories, you can create a story. So if you are here to publish a complete book, click on get started and it will again give you 3 options to choose from: paperback, ebook and audiobook. Audiobook is coming soon. Right now you will have to choose either from paperback or ebook. जिस फॉर्मेट में आपको अपनी बुक चाहिए, आप प्रिंटेड वर्जन चाहते हैं, you choose paperback. If you want an ebook, an electronic book which is available online, that's called ebook. आप ebook का ऑप्शन चूज कर सकते हैं. Once you click on get started, the system will then start asking you questions about the book specifications and the rest of the details. We have a separate video for that and you can find the link to the video in the description. I hope DIY procedure is clear. Now this expert solution packages, like we discussed, we have 6 different options to choose from. Depending upon your requirement, जैसी आपकी requirement है, जो आपकी services की needs हैं, you can select the package according to your requirements. And I'll show you how the expert solution package actually works for you. So in expert solution, like I said, we have an entire team that is going to work with you. We assign you a manager, an assistant manager, and a dedicated designer, a formatter. Everyone is going to talk to you to understand your requirements. जैसे आपकी बुक की specific requirement होती है, exactly वैसे ही हम आपका डिजाइन तैयार करते हैं. And not just a cover designer, you also get a dedicated interior designer, a formatter who's going to design your interior design. That's extremely important. आपकी बुक अंदर से कैसी दिखती है, that also appeals to the readers a lot. It matters. Definitely be in touch with your publication manager. They will ensure कि आपके सारे questions answer हो गए हैं, आपकी सारी queries resolved हैं. There will be a dedicated editor working on your script, making sure that the script goes out in the market error-free. Once your files are ready and the government formalities are completed, ISBN, barcode, copyright and everything, then the book goes live on Amazon and Flipkart and other major giants, and you see it.